The light microscope is an important tool in biological studies. It makes use of light and a set of lenses to produce magnified images of specimens. The light microscopes we use in the laboratory are compound microscopes. A compound microscope consists of an eyepiece, a body tube, a coarse adjustment knob, a fine adjustment knob, a nosepiece and objectives, a stage and clips, a condenser, a diaphragm, and a light source. First, place the microscope on the bench. Insert a low-power eyepiece into the body tube. Then rotate the nosepiece to select a low-power objective. Turn on the light source. Look through the eyepiece. Adjust the diaphragm until the light is sufficient. Clip a prepared slide onto the stage. Make sure the specimen is directly over the whole of the stage. Watch the stage from the side. Turn the coarse adjustment knob to raise the stage until the objective is closest to the slide. Look through the eyepiece again. Turn the coarse adjustment knob to lower the stage slowly until the image of the specimen is roughly in focus. Turn the fine adjustment knob to get a sharp focus. Carry out the previous steps so that the specimen is in focus at low power magnification. Search the field by moving the slide. Select a part of the specimen to observe in detail. Move that part to the center of the field of view. Rotate the nosepiece to select a high-power objective. Remember, you should watch the stage from the side when rotating the nosepiece. Look through the eyepiece. The specimen should be in rough focus now. Turn the fine adjustment knob to get a sharp focus. Do not focus with the coarse adjustment knob. If you cannot get a clear image, watch the stage from the side, and turn the coarse adjustment knob to raise the stage until the objective nearly touches the slide. Then look through the eyepiece. Turn the fine adjustment knob to get a sharp focus.